1. Dead ducks don't flutter. Inspirational Christian story on struggling. Many years ago, a wealthy man went duck hunting with a hired hand named Sam. They took a horse and carriage, and along the way a rim came off one of the wheels. As Sam hammered it back on, he accidentally hit his finger. Instantly he let go with some bad words. He quickly fell to his knees, asking God's forgiveness. "Lord, it's difficult at times to live the Christian life," he prayed. Sam said, "The man, I know you're a Christian, but tell me why you struggle so. I'm an atheist, and I don't have problems like that." Sam didn't know what to say. Just then 2 ducks flew overhead. The man raised his gun and 2 shots rang out. "Leave the dead one and go after that wounded bird," he shouted. Sam pointed at the duck that was fluttering desperately to escape and said, "I've got an answer for you now, boss. You said my Christianity isn't any good because I have to struggle so. Well, I'm the wounded duck and struggle to get away from the devil. But you, boss, you're the dead duck." That insight fits Paul's description of his Christian experience in Romans 7:14-25. Struggle is one evidence of God's work in our lives. Forgiveness of sin is available, so don't despair. Remember, dead ducks don't flutter. Struggle, yes, it's part of living. Nothing's gained on beds of ease. But when our heart is set on Jesus, struggle drives us to our knees. If Jesus lives within us, sin need not overwhelm us. 2. Dust if you must. Inspirational poem about the important things of life. Dust if you must, but wouldn't it be better to paint a picture, or write a letter, bake a cake, or plant a seed? Ponder the difference between want and need? Dust if you must, but there's not much time. With rivers to swim, and mountains to climb, music to hear, and books to read, friends to cherish, and life to lead. Dust if you must, but the world's out there, with the sun in your eyes, and the wind in your hair. A flutter of snow, a shower of rain. This day will not come around again. Dust if you must, but bear in mind, old age will come and it's not kind. And when you go, and go you must, you, yourself, will make more dust. 3. Slow dance. Inspirational poem about slowing down. Have you ever watched kids on a merry-go-round? Or listened to rain slapping the ground? Ever followed a butterfly's erratic flight? Or gazed at the sun fading into the night? You better slow down. Don't dance so fast. Time is short. The music won't last. Do you run through each day on the fly? When you ask, "How are you?" do you hear the reply? When the day is done, do you lie in your bed with the next 100 chores running through your head? You better slow down. Don't dance so fast. Time is short. The music won't last. Ever told your child, "We'll do it tomorrow," and in your haste, not see his sorrow? Ever lost touch, let a friendship die, 'cause you never had time to call and say hi? You better slow down. Don't dance so fast. Time is short. The music won't last. When you run so fast to get somewhere, you miss half the fun of getting there. When you worry and hurry through your day, it's like an unopened gift thrown away. Life isn't a race, so take it slower. Hear the music before your song is over.